This cruise private island is not to be written off. This is probably one of my favorite islands to visit on a cruise line, and it's often forgot about. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley Neal. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite private islands to visit on any cruise line. It's Ocean Cay. It's very calm. It's unlike Royal Caribbean's Perfect Day. It's very natural. It's an ocean marine reserve, so there's not a whole lot of water parks and excitement. It's very natural. There's 8 beaches, and today we're going to talk about what I love the most about this island, why I like to cruise here, and why you should cruise here and try MSC. This private island has a beautiful entrance. You're usually greeted with loud music, people cheering and welcoming you to the island of Ocean Cay. Straight ahead here, you can see the welcome pavilion. This is where you can go to ask any questions about the island. Anyone in an orange outfit, you can ask questions to. Over here is the transportation. You can grab one of these trams and it will take you anywhere around the island. It's all free of charge. Straight ahead here is your excursions desk. So this is where you can go to pick up your coupons if you ordered something like an umbrella or you bought an excursion. This is where you will get your tickets. And you can also purchase them there as well. It will be charged to your cruise card, your onboard account. Over here are some of the jet skis. There is an excursion that they take you around the island on the jet skis. I've never done it personally, but it looks pretty fun. Here, there's some little shopping areas. You can get all your souvenirs, t-shirts, backpacks, hats, all those kind of things. The island itself all has this kind of stone walkway, so it's easy walking. It's very accessible for anyone that is in a wheelchair as well. Here's some more areas over here, some more shops and boutiques. Again, this is a cashless island, so when you purchase things from these stores, it actually gets charged right to your onboard account via your cruise card. I'm going to give you a little view in here of just different things that you can purchase. As I said, there's mugs, shot glasses, t-shirts, beach bags. There's stuff for kids, stuff for adults. Quite a variety. There's a lot of Christmas ornaments, collectible things, picture frames. Really anything that you would find at a souvenir shop. My little tip though for if you're going to do any shopping is do it when you first come onto the island, because at the end of the day people tend to do their shopping then and it gets very crowded very quickly. So I would do your shopping when you first go onto the island. Here's another one of the shops. It's got some sea glass type homemade things, soaps and perfumes and just different ornament type things. Up here, we're going to be coming up on the first bar that you hit on the island. It's got nice little, cool little seating that you can sit out here. Again, everything that is included on the ship is included on the island. So if you have a drink package on board the ship, it is included on the island as well. This is Springer's Bar. Nice little area. Stop and get a drink as you start your walk around the island. As I said, you can walk the entire island. It's decently large, so it is a bit of a walk, but it is definitely doable. Or you can take the complimentary trams. There's different pickup points throughout the entire island. This island does have a pier, so you do dock. There is no requirement of a tender boat. You do get off the ship, walk right onto the pier, and walk right onto the island. Got myself a little mojito for the walk, keep me cool. Now there are some shops on the island, like this right here, the Smiling Fish. This is an ice cream / specialty coffee shop. This is not included, so if you do purchase anything from this little shop, it will be a charge. It's not included in the beverage package that you purchase when you board the ship. Their prices are fairly good. They're not overly expensive, but it is in fact an extra fee. There are lots of umbrellas and chairs throughout the entire island that you can relax in, get some shade. This is Cactus Bar, one of the other beaches. These are cabanas that you can rent. Now, a pro tip, when you rent these cabanas, it is a first come, first served basis. You cannot reserve the area in which your cabana will be. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing a cabana. You may end up with one in an area that you do not want to stay at. So keep that in mind. This is the Family Lagoon, one side of it. All the beaches are lifeguarded. There's little docks out in the water that you can jump off of. These are all the lounge chairs that are available. We actually got out to the island fairly early, so there's lots available. Now, if you come out later in the day, they will be more filled up and you'll be a little bit more hard-pressed to find one. But there are a lot, so you should be able to. As you can see, the lifeguard is on duty, which is nice for families because you have that little extra safety feature. This is a man-made lagoon, so there's some little fish in there, but nothing too big. Some beautiful views of the ship. These are some food trucks that are kind of dispersed throughout the island as well. They have things like cheeseburgers, hot dogs, Philly cheese sandwiches. We're walking across to the other side of the lagoon to see what this looks like over here. There is a net around the island, so it does keep the larger predators, I guess, out of the island. We're just coming up on the other side of the lagoon that we were previously directly across. So again, there's lots of more lounge chairs here. There's more beach bars, areas to get some drinks. Now this is one of the beaches that's on the far end of the island. It's got some more waves. Usually people here are doing the paddleboard tours. You can see people going around with the jet skis. Very nice area. Again, with the beach bars. This is right around Lighthouse Beach. This is one of my favorite places to sit and relax, which is where I usually always go. There's snack shacks. There's a bar that they've just actually finished a brand new beach bar here just in April. So you don't have to walk very far. You used to have to go to the Lighthouse bar to get a drink, but now there's a bar right at the beach. Beautiful views here. This is another reason I like this beach. The views, the pictures, the water's beautiful. It's just a nice area. Now this is going to be Lighthouse Bar. So it's kind of on the edge of the island. It is a little breezy at times, but it is a nice place to go sit and relax and have a drink. There are going to be some lounge chairs, a little bit more comfortable chairs that you can sit in and enjoy the weather. These do fill up fairly quickly as well, so it is a first come, first served basis. But again, you have some beautiful views at this bar. Now over here is the staff housing. Most of the staff actually live on the island, the groundskeepers. Some of the staff will get off the ship and run the bars while you're there. So you will see some of your same bartenders working the bars on the island. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this was informative. Let me know if you've been to Ocean Cay before, what you thought about it, and if you had a favorite place on the island that you'd like to sit and relax. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.